corner represented by our promoter Yumir Marshall. Official weight 117.8 pounds. Wearing black and white trunks. Ladies and gentlemen, this is also his professional boxing debut. Proudly representing the city of Zamboanga, representing B Steel Promotions, introducing Alan J. Reynos Marshall. Once again, to give instructions, here's referee Keith Batolino.
Magaling din itong boksingero si
number
Raffles. Professional debut for Alan J. Marshall, pamangkin ni Yumir. This is round number 1. Tingnan natin ang kalibre ng mga boksingerong ito. Pero ito kasing si Arnel Raffles, matagal na itong lumalaban sa super flyweight. Sa Zamboanga del Norte, Zamboanga del Sur, and other parts of Mindanao. Doon si Marshall naman, sa kanyang professional debut, he was a former amateur boxer na kilala dito sa Zamboanga City. Kaya't nag-decide ang kanyang tiyuhin na si Yumir Marshall na ipasok siya sa laban na to ngayong gabi sa professional fight in the super flyweight division. Makikita niyo po, so far, agresibo pareho. At talagang parehong gustong manalo. At makakuha ng panalo ngayong gabi. Si Raffles sanay sa bugbugan nito sa Zamboanga del Norte, in Liloy particularly. Sanay sa bugbugan. Kaya kanya na lamang siya kahanda, no, pagdating sa ganitong mga bakbakan sa kanyang division. This is his game. Itong super flyweight, si Raffles. Alan J. Marshall is from Lunsuran, Zamboanga City. Bata pa to, no, pero magaling makipag-boxing. 1-2 combinations by Marshall. Matibay ang bodega ni Marshall. Ilang beses nang pinapatamaan ni Raffles, pero hindi niya iniinda. Bumabawi si Marshall kay Raffles. 1-2 combinations. Bawal yun sa likod. Bawal sa likod. Okay, last 10 seconds of the first round. Marshall, Alan J. Marshall is getting so aggressive. And had the last punch for the first round. El Puño Zamboangueño.
Round number 2.
This is the match between Alan J. Marshall against of Zamboanga City against Arnold Raffles from Liloy, Zamboanga del Norte. Raffles trying to connect. Umiilag itong si Marshall. Medyo matibay itong katawan ni Raffles. Veterano kasi ito sa larangan ng super flyweight. Medyo maingat din at magalaw. Mabilis itong sumuntok eh. Mayroon siyang speed. At saka maporma. Yun ang sinasabi ko. Yan ang sinasabi ko na skills ni Alan J. Marshall. Tumba si Arnel Raffles. Stop the fight. Hindi na kinaya. Hindi na kinaya ni Arnel Raffles yung solid punch ni Alan J. Marshall. Surrender siya. Surrender siya. So yan yung skills nitong si Alan J. Marshall. Zamboanga del Norte.
Ladies and gentlemen,
listen to the official announcement.
11 seconds of the second round, we have a winner by technical knockout, proudly representing B Steel Promotions, Alan J. Marshall.
It's a TKO, technical knockout, for Alan J. Marshall from B Steel Boxing Stable.